In this tutorial, we will show you how to automatically add new Wufoo entries in a PDF document using PDF.co and Zapier. We will add the new Wufoo contact form entry in the center of this PDF invoice. First, let's start by making a Zap. Next, select the Wufoo app from the lists of the apps. Then, choose the new entry for the trigger event. In the Setup Trigger step, choose the Wufoo form name where the entries add the PDF document. Let's test the trigger to make sure that we connected the correct account. Great! Zapier found our latest Wufoo contact form entry. Before we proceed to the next step, we will show you how to get the coordinates. First, open your PDF.co account. Next, click on the Helper Tools menu and choose the PDF viewer with coordinates. Then, click the Choose File button to load PDF document. Click on Area to store these coordinates for use with PDF.co. Here's the coordinates that we simplified. Now, let's set up the action step. Kindly select the PDF.co as the app event. Then, choose the PDF filler as the action event. Let's configure the PDF filler. In the Source PDF field, enter or choose the PDF source file URL. In the Text Objects field, enter the coordinate, page number, and the value from the Wufoo contact form entry. Let's send the PDF filler data to PDF.co to make sure that we entered all the information correctly. Excellent! The PDF.co was successfully processed our request. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. When you open the output, the PDF invoice will now have the Wufoo contact form entry added in the center. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.